DIY extra long mini passion twist. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve this look. So let's get right into it. I'm using the Expression Lagos braiding hair in the color 1. This braiding hair comes in 4 separate pre-stretched braids, and I bought a pack of 3, but I ended up using 2 or 2.5 thereabouts. So this is the first batch of coils that I did. You can see how bouncy and coily they look, and look at how shiny this braiding hair looks. I didn't add anything to it, it's just like it's glowing. So this is how you're gonna curl the hair. You're gonna need your braids and you're gonna need straw. I use straw because the videos I saw on YouTube, they got like amazing curls using straw, so I said I should try it out. So I'm securing the ends by making 2 knots, then twisting down the ends just to secure it and make sure that it doesn't unravel. After doing this, I'm going to start just twisting the hair into the straw. I was finding it somehow difficult to do this with the second batch because the straw was already very soft, and because I had already used it before, so it's the hot water has melted the plastic and the straw was bent and soft, so it was like kind of difficult for me to work with it, but I managed to make it work. But if you're using like a new set of straws or a new pack of straws, you won't have any issues doing this. So I'm just making it tight. This didn't really make any difference in how the curls turned out, but I just wanted it to be tight so I'll be able to like do 2 batches, 1 straw instead of just 1 braiding hair on 1 straw. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. But yeah, so I'm just twisting that in and I'm going to secure the ends and make sure it is tight. So this is how it looks when you're done with it. And after this, you're going to dip the hair in hot water. So I dipped this hair in hot water and I let it sit for about 2 minutes or so. And please don't dip your hand in the hot water, don't burn yourself, don't be like me. So you're going to take the hair out and let it dry. After it dries, this is how it looks. You're just going to pull the hair out of the straw and you're going to end up with this coily, bouncy coils. You can see how coily it looks. And yeah, we're done with the coils. So now let's get right into the braids. For the braiding of this hair, my sister helped me braid the hair. So what she did was she sectioned my hair, and this is what we have so far. You can see how neat and nice it looks. So you're going to start off by holding, like making sure you secure the ends because this hair is very tiny, so you want to make sure that you have a strong grip on the hair. So you're going to make like 3 to 4 knots. Then you're going to go in with the curly hair and you're going to just braid that in with your natural hair. You're going to braid this about 3 to 4 times just to get like a strong hold on it. And after that, then you're going to just turn it into 2 parts by adding 1 hair to the other side of the hair, then start twisting. I hope you understand, but I'm going to show you again if you don't understand. I'm going to show you how you're going to do it again if you don't understand. But if you know how to do twists, this should be easy for you. It's just a normal twist. All you have to do is just braid from the start to have a strong grip on your hair and twist the rest to the end. So this is pretty much how twisting the hair to the end. I wanted the hair to be long. We had to like add other braiding hair to the ends of the hair. So let me show you how you're going to do this again. You're going to have 3 parts, then braid it about 3 to 4 times. Add your coily hair to your natural hair and you're gonna braid that for about 3 to 4 times as well. After braiding it, you're gonna add one part to the other hair, making it 2 braiding hair. After that, you're gonna twist the rest. So you're just gonna start twisting and twisting and twisting till you get to your desired length. If you want to make yours as long as mine, you're gonna have to add extra coily hair to the ends, but this is typically how you do this, and you can see how neat and nice it looks. So yeah, this is how simple it is to achieve this look. To be honest, this look took about 3 to 4 days, even though I had help. My mom helped, my sister helped, but it took a while. As you can see, it doesn't look as neat as it looks at that first day, but it still turned out really great, and I love how coily and how bouncy the hair looks. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below on any video requests you have. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Bye.